birds were singing. They always stop when I start the video. It's letting you hear the peace. It's hard to do a video with the dog, of course, but look at this. Beautiful day. It's a little windy, but a beautiful Sunday morning. And I walk in the park and the birds are singing. And the smell of summer or spring. It's really summer spring, but there's a name for it. Spring. It's like a summery, springy day. This park is always peaceful. Come on, dog. Got a nice breeze, and it's a warm breeze. It's not a cool breeze. I think it's going to be in the 80s today. But the sound of those birds, they just... Listen. Get the peace, people. Now the wind is windier over here, so I'm sure you hear the wind. But when you're over there, you can hear the birds singing. That with these ocean waves. Smell of sea breeze and spring flowers and birds singing. It's a piece. Now there are a bunch of birds down there. I wonder what type of birds those are. I don't know what they are. It's a beautiful Sunday. Peaceful.